Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is me Farwa and today I am here for a video which is called Night Party Makeup Look, and I created this look. Okay, you guys can see it's night party makeup. Sure, before going to the video, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss my any upcoming video. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's go. So guys, I have just prepped my face with my rose water and my moisturizer, and now it's time for our lip mask. So this is the flavor watermelon, and my other one is in the flavor of strawberry. Lip balm a lot of the times, like all day I apply my lip balm. I can't live without my lip balm. So yeah guys, now we're gonna go to our eyes. So I have this contour stick, Kiss Beauty contour stick, and this is a pretty amazing highlighting concealer which brighten up my eyes. Yeah, like that. This is guys really amazing. Okay, I'm gonna apply it on my next eye too. I'm gonna blend it with my the Balm Cosmetics sponge. So here's the Balm Cosmetics sponge. I'm gonna use that right now on my eyes. Yeah. I've seen a lot of beauty gurus. They are making videos do's and don'ts of eyes. So we're gonna need to apply any primer, any foundation, any concealer that we can find in our home, in our makeup collection. Okay, we are done. Next thing, eyeshadow palette. So this is my Dodo Girl eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette, which is this brush for it. This will like order it a lot better. You can even use your compact. I'm using this shade because I have in my. So now we're gonna move on to these both colors. This color, this yellowish color, and this color. We're gonna mix them both. Okay, I'm gonna mix them both and try to make a good design out of them. I really hope it will become. I'm gonna apply it not on my crease, a bit lower than my crease, not on my crease line, because on the crease line obviously brown shadow will work, like that. So yeah, this is done, and on the crease, oh yeah, I'm gonna use this shade. Yeah, I'm gonna use that shade. So yeah, like that. And I don't know how to find the crease, so I'm gonna use this style. Just like that. So yeah guys, you guys can see I am done with that. And now we're gonna need, because of this brush is the worst brush. So this is from Kiss Beauty. I don't know. For that, I'm gonna use my brush. This. Okay. Wait. Let me shape this brush. I'm gonna use this brush. So yeah, we're gonna take this eyeshadow. This is actually a pretty nice green shade. I like this shade a lot. This area. Pat it. Literally pat it over this area. That's so. And I kind of love this color because it's really pretty greenish colors. And guys, you can even talk to me by mail. And guys, I'm still sick. Don't go on my voice Next, we're gonna need this 7 Cool Professional highlighter. I'm gonna use this highlighter for my eyes in this area. Well, this is hard to take by this kind of brush. Guys, this is not a independent eyeshadow look. See, yeah. So again, I am using this Kiss Touch or Soft Touch. I don't know. I'm using this. So yeah, guys, for that I'm using the same brush and I'm using that black shade. You guys can use non-glittery eyeshadows, but I don't have a matte eyeshadow black, so I'm gonna work with that. And this works fine too. They are right. Look at that. So yeah, guys, we are almost I think done with that black shadow. Our next hunt is for close wave is another eyeshadow palette. Using this shade, this dark brown. And over the upperwards, using that and blending that all off like that. Stop this. My eye is not looking good as it has to be look good, but it's not looking good. On camera, it is looking disaster. But on real life, in real life, it's looking. See, yeah, guys. We always apply white shadow on our inner corners, so this time there should be a bit of change, I think. So yeah, we're gonna use the same palette, this brush. Okay, I'm gonna use this light pink shade, which is like white, but it's a bit changed than white. It's a pink actually. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Next, we're gonna apply eyeshadow on the lower lash, but before that, we're gonna need to conceal our eyes perfectly. Yeah. We are done with that, and I need to blend that all. I'm gonna take this concealer brush in this palette. I'm gonna take that green shadow again, which we used. And we're gonna smudge the lower lash. Okay, again, take some more. Okay, now that's looking my kind. So guys, it's time for our liner. And from our liner, yeah, this is the liner. This is from Julie Rose, but this is the logo is removed. Sorry guys. That to make a good wing out of it. This is not matte eyeliner. You can use matte eyeliner or any liner if you love using matte eyeliners, you can totally go with your matte eyeliner, but I'm not going with my matte. And guys, let me tell you, I do my editing by my own self. Don't think anybody helps me. No, I do my every work my own self. For our eyes, pencil, a bit. I don't know why it's not working. Kiss Beauty Holy Deep mascara. Yeah. Oops. So yeah guys, my eyes are done. So wait till then I'm going to do my other eye. So yeah guys, you can see my both eyes are done. I really hope they are the same. So now we're gonna apply. So we're gonna need a primer. This is from Mini Star. I'm gonna put a bit over here. See, I'm gonna put it all over my face. Blend with my own fingers. So my primer is now in my skin. Yeah, just time for foundation. This is the foundation Infallible Makeup. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, so I think 2 bumps are enough. Oops. I'm gonna apply it in a dot motion. Now we're gonna blend it with a beauty blender. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. So yeah guys, we are done with our foundation too. Now it's time for some bronzer. I'm gonna use this controlling product by Jennifer. Okay, and I'm gonna take my new brush. Here's that brush. Okay, so guys, it's 6 of the day. You know, it's vacation, so I don't sleep at this time. I'm gonna bronze my face a bit, and this is kind of a lot, but yeah, we're gonna work with that. This will make our foundation look warm. Okay, this is a lot. Now I'm gonna take this brush. This is really soft, so it will blend it all. That's a lot. Well guys, I'm not using my contour stick because I think I've used it in my every video, so I think this time we should need to be a bit good. So guys, in case you haven't watched that video, watch it, and the eye button it is. A bit on the forehead. But that's good. For my nose, I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to use the same brush, dip it into the brush, and try to create a good line. Same. See ya. See ya. Next, to set up my face, I think a good compact is good. So I'm using my MAC compact. newly purchased part 3, right? Yeah, it has everything. And I'm gonna powder my whole face with this. Okay, I'm loving my face right now. And let me know in the comments, guys, do you like my editing skills? And now it's time for blush. I'm using this Holika blush. For that, using the same brush. Best blush I can say. Use any blush according to your skin, according to your match. So this light shade matches me. I'm using this ADS Miss London highlighter. This brush. Okay. For my nose, I'm going to use my finger. I'm using this 3D lipstick Romantic Beauty by Romantic Beauty. So I know, guys, you will say this makeup doesn't suit me because I'm a kid, but guys, this will probably suits on you. To set my face amazingly, I'm gonna use this beauty. This is amazing. Okay. No, I'm not gonna hide my eye. Guys, this is amazing. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you have to subscribe my channel. And yeah, till then, bye bye.